This is what a one-bedroom home should look like. Fully remodeled in 2018, this home features brand new flooring throughout, a fully updated kitchen, custom tiling, and even a Bluetooth speaker in the washroom. Now, inside, we've got over 720 square feet of living space, plus a giant outdoor space perfect for entertaining and barbecuing in the summer. Come down to 444 East 6th Ave and experience what Mount Pleasant living is all about.